Hi guys, this is Tenzibi and I'm so excited today. Guess what happened? I went and I got my new MacBook Air. Here it is, and I want to unbox it with you guys. Before I had a HP and here's my HP. I still use it sometimes and I'm gonna unbox it right now for you guys to see what it is. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Get it out right now. I have the gold. I think they call it pink gold. This is what it is. And inside of it, we have the charger. Wow, it's so neatly packed. That's the charger cord. And I think this is the charger itself. Here's the charger and the cord. So I get these with my computer. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna put it back. I'm gonna set up my computer now. My MacBook Air. I can't wait, okay? Okay guys, I just finished setting up my computer and I have other parts also that I'm going to put together. And one of the reasons why I'm showing you my computer is because if you guys need to invest into your channel, this would be one of the computer that I would recommend. And all the equipment that I have and that I'm going to be using for my channel, I'll put it up so that you can see them. Like I have the lens here, and this is the lens that I use, but right now I can show you the camera, but I'll put it up. And also I have a Rode microphone that I use also, and this is what I'm using now. So all the equipment that I use, I'll show you. Then I have the bag that I usually, this didn't come with the camera. This is what I store my camera in. Here it is. You have the section where I put my camera here, and then I have the mic where I put here. It's very good. It's padded inside, and it also protects the camera from getting damaged when you're traveling and going far places. You have to sometimes put it on the plane with your other baggages. So I just make sure that I have this, and I enjoy using this when I travel because it's more secure. My camera is secure in this bag here. So guys, it's always important to have extra batteries. I always travel with at least 2 extra batteries because sometimes your battery run out. So it's best to always have battery in order to get a very good contents that you're looking for. Okay, so the last thing I'd like to remind you is to always make sure, guys, that you have extra storage. I always have extra storage when I travel, so you never can tell what will happen. You might think you have extra storage and then you go somewhere and see something that you want to film, and then you realize that you don't have this to put them on. So it's always good to have extra storage. So guys, these are all the equipment that I have right now, including the camera that you can see and also the lighting. So this is where I am right now, starting off with, but you don't have to go through getting all these equipment at once if you just start your channel. Because when I started, I just started with my phone, my iPhone, and I tried to, buy everything bit by bit. And the next thing that I would want to get is a drone, because I plan to travel a lot and I'm looking to get a drone. So if you guys have any recommendation, you can just leave it below. I'll see you next time. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.